Hello everybody, welcome back to another video by DissociaDID. This video is part of a mini-series about breathing exercises where we're going to help you breathe through your anxiety. If this particular technique doesn't work for you, please check out one of the other videos in our series. You can find them either in the cards above or in the description box below. This breathing exercise is 4-7-8 breathing, also known as relaxing breath. If you've seen our video in our mini-series about box breathing or 4x4 breathing, this has the same principles. It's a very easy exercise to do and shouldn't be too stressful on your body. We're just going to be counting to different counts. While we do this, I want you to settle yourself. Consider how you feel and whether you're physically comfortable with how you're sitting. If you need to, roll your shoulders back, try and release some of that tension. You might be clenching your jaw. Take notice of that and unclench. Open your mouth wide and let the tension go. Unfurrow your brows, straighten your back, and take a deep breath. Remember that you're safe. I'm going to be with you through this whole exercise. You're not in any danger, and you're not on your own. To do relaxing breath, we're going to inhale to the count of 4, hold our breath for 7 seconds, and then exhale to the count of 8. I'm going to talk you through it. You're not on your own, and you're in a safe place. Are you ready? Let's do it together. Breathe along with me as I count you down. When I say in, we start to inhale to the count of 4. Then just follow my instructions and watch what my body's doing on screen. Starting now. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going like that. Remember, you are safe. There is nothing urgent. There is no emergency. You are okay. And everything is going to be alright. You can repeat this as many times as you need to. You have enough oxygen. You can breathe. And everything that's troubling you right now is going to pass eventually. You are going to be alright. If you need to, just sit with me for a minute and know that whatever you're going through right now is going to pass. Every single bad day, every single panic attack, every single moment where you felt like you couldn't handle it anymore, you have survived. And you have moved past, and you have become stronger. And with every struggle you face, you pick up new coping mechanisms, new skills, new abilities to understand yourself and your body. With every negative experience, you're building a toolbox for you to be able to understand how to move forward quicker, easier, and with less stress, less pain, and less anxiety. Every struggle you face is a hurdle, but every hurdle after that will be a little bit easier to cross. Sometimes the difference is minute, and you might not realize until years later that it has got easier. But it will get easier, and you're going to be okay. If this method didn't work for you, or you'd like to try a different one, please have a look at our mini-series. You can find it in the description box below, or by clicking on one of the notifications on the video screen. If you found this helpful, or you'd like to look at one of our other videos, please make sure you subscribe to our channel. If you go to our main channel screen by clicking on the name DissociaDID, you should see a bell icon. Make sure that's clicked so that you know when we next upload a video. If you enjoyed this and found it helpful, please let us know in the comments and share it if you think that this can help other people.